Hola amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, what are we doing now?
On today's episode, we're finally removing all the windows that are left. The first major step to be able to raise the roof.
If you have seen our previous videos, then you know that we got a school bus, and we welcome you to this our journey to transform it into a mobile home. So far, it's been pretty much demolition and getting used to the power tools for most of us. Not for Bryan, of course, he's been a great mentor in all this.
Well, today we're going to finish cleaning it out so we can power wash inside the bus.
We're removing windows.
We're going to bust some of the last few rivets out.
That's a lot of
sweep it,
rivets.
and clean it, and wash it.
Yeah.
You get all that funky kid
Yeah.
after a decade.
And as you can see, we have our cheap labor in here. So clean. So clean. Ready to go, guys? Okay, Lovely Root. Lovely Root. Yeah! As we mentioned in previous videos, we are prepping the bus to be able to raise the roof. And the windows need to go.
Feeling in my bones.
Removing the windows seems like a catastrophic move, but in reality it wasn't that bad. They are holded by, 4 screws or so. It wasn't really bad.
You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough.
However, we have to give a lot of credit to the kids because if it weren't for them, this whole process would have been a lot more difficult. Carrying things up and down the bus at our old age, not fun. It was good to have them around. I think they learned a thing or two.
You to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
In reality, it was more complicated to sort out all those cables that you see in the walls and the emergency systems that are attached to the windows and the emergency door. I think removing the windows was the funnest part of all the demolition. After we remove the windows and clean up the bus and secure all the cables, then we took the bus to the car wash to give it a fresh start. It was nasty inside, honestly. Nasty, 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 nasty.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.